In this video, I'll show you how to reinstall your keyboard drivers on your Windows computer. So let's get right into it, and first thing you need to do is head over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and then just click on the Device Manager panel. From this window here, you need to locate keyboards and press the drop down arrow to expand this list. If you don't see the keyboards menu item, just click on View at the top and make sure you have selected Show Hidden Devices. Now from here, you need to locate your keyboard device. If you're on a laptop, it's likely going to be this HID keyboard device. For the best practice, you could just perform this step to all the keyboards inside of this menu list. It definitely won't cause any harm, just making sure they're all up to date. So what we're going to do is just right click on your keyboard device and select Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for drivers. Now if it does detect an outdated driver, then you can install it directly from this window. If it says you already have the latest drivers installed, then what you'll need to do is close out of this window, right click on the keyboard again and select Uninstall Device. You'll get this warning message pop up, just click on Uninstall, and like I mentioned, we're just going to go through all of these and do the same thing for these as well. If you know exactly which one your keyboard is, then you don't really need to do it for all of them, but because I'm not sure which one's my keyboard, I'm just going to do this for all of these devices. I'm also going to do the same for these Razer ones down here as well. And then once you've uninstalled all the keyboard devices from your PC, you'll notice now that it's disappeared from this list. What you need to do is click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes, and usually that will bring back up the keyboards option. So if I expand this now, all of our keyboards are back listed here. You may also need to restart your computer at this point if the keyboards haven't reappeared. And once you've done that, it's also a good idea to head over to your Start menu, search for Settings, and then click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, scroll down to Windows Update, and then just press this Check for Updates button here. Sometimes Windows updates also contain driver updates for your keyboards as well, so just make sure you're fully up to date with Windows. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.